Welcome to the presentation on the stages of water treatment. I am Mr. A. Alex Livingston Raja, Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering at Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. The safety of our drinking water depends entirely on proper purification. To ensure this, the water is tested against government guidelines. Meeting these quality standards is essential not just for compliance but for the health and well-being of the entire community. That's why understanding the 5 stages of water treatment is so important. Here you can see the entire water treatment process. Water is first collected from a source like lake, reservoir or river. Then it goes through initial screening, coagulation and flocculation, followed by sedimentation and filtration. Finally, it enters the disinfection stage before being delivered to the community. Each stage plays a specific and vital role in ensuring clean and safe drinking water. As water enters the treatment plant from sources like rivers, lakes or reservoirs, it passes through a screening process. These screens remove large natural contaminants such as sticks, leaves and even fish. If the water source is groundwater, screening may be unnecessary since the earth naturally filters out these larger particles during extraction. In the next phase of coagulation, the plant operators add chemicals, most commonly aluminum sulfate or ferric sulfate, into the water. These coagulants are introduced at points of high turbulence to ensure proper mixing. These chemicals helps form sticky particles known as the floc, which attract dirt and other impurities. As the floc grows in size and weight, it prepares for the removal for the next stage. Once the flocs are formed, the water moves into the next stage of treatment into the sedimentation tanks, where the flow slows down significantly. This reduced velocity allows the heavier floc particles to settle down at the bottom, forming sediments. The clearer water remains above, while the settled particles stay in the basin until it's removed. This stage significantly reduces the suspended solids. After sedimentation, the water flows through a filtration system. This includes layer of gravel and sand and sometimes activated charcoal. Typically, the gravel layer is about 1 foot deep and the sand layer is 2.5 feet. Filtration removes remaining particles like turbidity, algae and microscopic contaminants. Gravity and pressure filters are often used to ensure effective removal and to maintain flow. The final step in the treatment process is disinfection. Here, chlorine or similar disinfectants are added to eliminate any remaining microorganisms or harmful pathogens. This step ensures that the water remains safe as it travels through the distribution systems to homes, industries and businesses. In case where groundwater is the source, disinfection may be the only necessary treatment stage. Thank you for your attention. Water treatment is not just a technical process. It is a vital public health service. Let's value the science and engineering that makes safe water possible. This presentation is based on the content from CompleteWater.com, adapted for academic use by the Department of Civil Engineering at HiSET.